countdown is on to the end of the public campaign. Remember, Kerala votes in phase 2, and you've got all of the party cadres currently out there as part of the Kalashakottu that's taking place in Thiruvananthapuram. It's the end of the Kerala campaign. You can see colourful images right now coming in from Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram itself is going to see a very, very interesting battle between Shashi Tharoor and Rajiv Chandrasekhar. And you can see on your screens there that the Congress has pulled all stops for their last campaign. You've got, in fact, posters from both sides being put up at that particular spot there in Thiruvananthapuram. And you can expect that party cadres who have gathered there in large numbers also will, in fact, be ensuring that they spread out the word one last time to go ahead and vote for the candidate of their choice. You can see the images are on your screens of the flags, the posters that have all been put up in that particular spot there in Thiruvananthapuram. Remember that Kerala votes in just 2 days from now in phase 2, all 20 seats up for grabs. Thiruvananthapuram, you see Shashi Tharoor versus Rajiv Chandrasekhar, essentially actually a three-way battle because the left's candidate Panniyan Ravindran is also extremely strong in this area, and this particular moment signifies curtains down on what's been a high voltage campaign in Thiruvananthapuram. And across Kerala, really, you've been seeing all the political bigwigs of the Congress, the left and the BJP coming together to campaign. Home Minister Amit Shah, Priyanka Gandhi, all of them have campaigned today in different parts of Kerala. So as you can see in these images, hundreds of cadre gathered from both sides, and interesting to really see how you've got banners, posters talking about Shashi Tharoor, and also on the other hand Rajiv Chandrasekhar, all in one spot, because it's this spot that officially the campaign will come to an end in Thiruvananthapuram. You can see the kind of images are also coming in right now of the celebrations that are happening right there. Shibi Mol is joining us live from Thiruvananthapuram with more on this. Shibi, take it away. We can see images of party cadre, of supporters of both sides coming together there in Thiruvananthapuram to mark the end of what's been really an intense campaign in Thiruvananthapuram. Shibi, I'm going to reconnect with you. Apologies, we're having a bit of a problem there with your audio. Shibi is actually right there at the spot. You can hear all of the music, the drums, the sounds that are coming in right now from that particular location. We'll attempt to reconnect with her as well to get you all of those updates on the final day, the final last few hours of campaigning in Kerala. And Thiruvananthapuram is going to see one of the most interesting battles, but there are several others also that people will be watching out for. The Congress, of course, on a strong footing in Kerala, considering that in general elections they perform, of course, much better than in the assembly election. Kerala, one of those states that sees a marked difference in voting patterns between an assembly election and a general election. The BJP trying hard to make inroads as well, and Thiruvananthapuram for them is going to be crucial on that front. In just a few hours from now, it will be curtains down on campaigning in Kerala and several other states that poll in phase 2.